Hello everyone, we from Group 5 will present an application for learning speaking skills. My name is Selvi Khovivah O and Faiza Alya S. English Sounds Pronunciation is an app to help learn speaking skills. This app provides a correct pronunciation of words in an American accent. There are several features such as pronunciation videos and pronunciation examples. You can also try to pronounce words in this app. English Sounds Pronunciation was released on November 14, 2019, and last updated on July 12, 2022. Offered by Nikolai Emelianov with 500,000 plus download in Play Store. Step 1. Download English Sounds Pronunciation in the Play Store. Step 2. Open the application. Step 3. You can use the app without registration. Step 4. Features you can access. Advantage: 1. Free download. 2. The app doesn't require registration. 3. Practical. 4. You can watch some pronunciation examples in the video before trying it out. 5. There is an explanation of the correct pronunciation. Disadvantage: 1. Only American accent is available. 2. This app is only available on Android. 3. It is unknown whether our pronunciation is correct or not. Thank you. Thank you.